Good day, beloveds. Love. Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no records of wrong. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails. That was 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verses 4 through 8. And you may say, well, what does that have to do with Black History Month? Well, first of all, welcome. If you're new here, I am Danny. Welcome to this channel, Natural LID. I am an aromatherapist and a social worker, and I enjoy sharing things to enhance our overall quality of life and well-being. So getting back to this scripture I just read about love, in Black History Month and throughout history, Blacks, African Americans, and all those who pioneered and have been trailblazers and given this world many contributions. It is through their love of wanting more for themselves, wanting more for their people, and not just selfishly, but also for the world. There are numerous people who have contributed, Black African Americans who have contributed to the success and growth and advancement of this country and around the world. So today and this month, I want to celebrate Black History Month as it is celebrated here in the U.S. It's also a month of love. For some states that celebrate this love month, you know, in the U.S., they call it Valentine's Day, but I call it a month of love. But I wanted to share that scripture with you because I believe if we had a little bit more love between us and in this world, then we would treat each other and other humankind with dignity, more dignity and respect. I think we can all agree on that. And in this upcoming series of videos that I'm going to share with you, I'm going to talk about love attraction essential oils, right? So with that, I just want to share a little bit of information with you about love attraction essential oils. Using essential oils through inhalation or smell, right? It helps with effectively releasing molecules of emotion. And through inhalation, the inhalation itself is a marvelous way of reaching deeply to affect the neurochemical responses that trigger fond memories of love. So I'm going to read that again. Through inhalation, the marvelous power of scent, using essential oils, can reach deeply to affect the neurochemical response that triggers fond memories of love. And the power of scent can also be used to support you to break down and release unwanted habit patterns and help you reprogram your mind for success in love, money, business ventures, and more. And I'm sharing with you on the next series of videos about love attraction oils. We'll be going over 5 essential oils for love attraction. In this series, it's a continuation of the series from the same author from the last video series. And if you haven't seen it, I encourage you to watch my videos about prosperity consciousness by KG Styles. And I'm reading more, getting more insight from her book, but she also talking about love attraction. So if you haven't seen that series, I encourage you to watch it, where I'm talking about the author and her background. So moving forward this month, the month of February, we're celebrating Black History Month and all the accomplishments of all the wonderful Black and African Americans who've contributed to this country and elsewhere and poured their love into what they have done for themselves, our community, and the world. So stay tuned for the series on love attraction oils. And right now, I would like to share with you a special presentation about Black History Month I was asked to do for where I serve. And I thought it would be nice to share it with you. You can let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And as always, it's a pleasure to serve you. Let's continue to learn, grow, and share together naturally. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. So the next little snippet you will see is a short video about Black history. It's certainly not all exhaustive, but hopefully you enjoy it. Until next time, God bless you. I love you. Bye-bye now. Hey, if you've chosen to subscribe to my channel or to like my video or to share it with someone you think who would be interested, I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And let's continue to learn, grow, share together naturally. God bless you. I love you.